Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wired headphone to Google TV Streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the white cable, that is the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. We need a USB sound card like this. So let me connect this aux pin from this wired headphone to this sound card. Okay, done. Then connect this sound card to this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is a setup. So this way, using this USB sound card, we can connect wired headphone to Google TV Streamer. After that, you can play some video or audio in this Google TV Streamer. You should be able to hear sound in this wired headphone. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.